All right, scholars, we're back for part 3 on the Pythagorean theorem, giving you another type of problem here. So let me share this with you. Sharing with you. All right, here we go. So this problem here, given that side A is twice as long as side B and side C is 25. So we only one we know right now is side C. We know side C is 25. So we know that that's our hypotenuse. All right. So if we were to draw this, okay, then we have the C side is 25. And this side, we're saying is, we'll call this B, and we're saying A is twice as long as B, or A would be, if A is twice as long as B, then it's 2 times bigger than B. So 2 times B. All right. So if that makes sense, instead of putting A, we're going to put 2B. Okay. So let's just go back to this. We have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, now remember we said A is twice as big as B, so A is going to equal 2B. So in the place of A, I'm going to put 2B. Okay, so 2B, I'm going to put that in parentheses because you're inputting a number or a value. So put that in parentheses. I'm going to erase this line here so you can see what's going on. Erase this. All right, that should be good enough. And then I'm going to put, close this parentheses. So A became 2B squared. A became 2B squared. A became 2B squared. So squared plus B squared. So B squared was already there. Equals C squared. Now, some of you are saying, hey, where did this 2B come from? Well, we said A is twice as large as B. So that means A is 2 times B because it's twice as large, right? So instead of putting A, I put 2B. So no longer A, but now 2B. Got it? So now we have 2B times 2B, which is 4B squared. 2 times 2 is 4. B times B is B squared, or B to the second power. Plus, and this says B squared, but it doesn't have a number in front of it, or a coefficient. And we put that in front of the B, which will be a 1. The coefficient is understood to be a 1 if you do not see a number in front of the variable. So this is 1B squared. Let's go ahead and put these lines to separate this. So we'll see what sides. So equals C squared. All right. So now let's keep going. 5B squared plus 1B squared is, or 4B squared plus 1B squared is 5B squared because 4 plus 1 is 5. We have the B squared. Make this look like a B instead of a 6. Equals, and I forgot to put in our 25. They told us C squared is 25. Let's go and put that in, 25 squared. All right. So now let's figure out what 25 squared is. 25 times 25 is going to give us 625 equals 5B squared. Not done yet, not done yet, not done yet. All right, let's see here. So we're going to get rid of this so we can have some more room to work. More room to work, more room to work, more room to work. More room to work, more room to work. All right. All right, here we go, here we go. So we have this. I'm just going to basically rewrite that so we can see what's going on. 5b squared equals 625. We're trying to get b by itself, but we're going to have to remove this 5. So we have to get rid of that. Okay. Then eventually we're going to have to get rid of this squared. Okay. So let's go. So in order to get rid of times 5, we have to do divided by 5. We're going to do that on both sides to keep it balanced. Dividing by 5. All right, so when we do that, these cancel. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 1b squared is just b squared, because 1 times b squared is b squared. All right. Equals, oh, this should have been 625. Sorry about that. So 625 divided by 5 is 125. All right, 125. All right, we're not done yet because we still have this squared we need to get rid of. And so the opposite of squared is square root of. Do it on both sides to keep it balanced. And so we have b is approximately 11.18. And we're supposed to be rounding to the nearest tenths. But this 8 tells us to take the 1 up, because it's 8, we're actually basically asking, is 18 closer to 10 or is it closer to 20? We know it's closer to 20. So we have 11.20 or 11.2. It's a big 2. Approximately 11.2. There we go. There we go. There we go. We did it. All right. Stop the video if you need to. Pause, rewrite, look at it again, but do get it. All right. Hey, you all have a great evening. Stopping the sharing. Here we go. And we're going to stop this recording. Here we go. Bye.